Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Eptech Knowledge. So in the previous tutorial, we do this search part in our order page. So right now in this tutorial, we are going to fix our dashboard. You can see this is our dashboard. After login, we come to this page. This is our dashboard. So we are going to fix this. Here you can see some cart over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 cart. So in this cart, instead of those things, we are going to show, let's say we have a lot of product in our database. So we will show over here total product, then we'll show total number of order we have. Then let's say we will also show the total customer we have. And if you go to our order table, here you can see that you can see the price over here. So we'll add all those price and we'll show over here like total revenue. The total revenue will be all the price added result over here, and we can also show a few more thing, and that is like how many product is delivered and how many product is not delivered. It means the product is processing. We can also show those over here in a cart like this. So first of all, we'll fix one thing, that is if we click on the dashboard over here, you can see it took us to this page. So what we want is when we click on this dashboard option, it will keep us on the, or it will take us on this page. So first of all, here you can see this is the sidebar part. So we'll go to our port and we'll go to our views, then admin, and inside admin we have sidebar.blade.php. We'll directly go there, and if you go down, here you can see this is our dashboard portion code over here. You can see this is the dashboard code. If I write, let's say dashboard on, save it, then refresh, here you can see dashboard on. So we need to do something so that when we click on this dashboard option, it will take us to this view. So for it, here you can see a href option, and inside this href option we need to write something. So for it, first of all, let me just go to my route, then web.php, and here you can see that for login we use our this redirect URL for our route. So what we are going to do is that here you can see redirect URL. We are just going to mention this redirect URL in this href for the dashboard. So here we are just going to remove this index.html from the href, then we'll give 2 second bracket, then we'll show over here URL to first bracket to single quotation, and here we are going to mention /redirect, which is this one. We use this for login. If you use a different URL name, you need to write that URL name over here. So if I now save it, then if we just refresh here and if we click on the dashboard, it will keep us on this same page. So right now let's go to our dashboard view and fix this view. We'll only keep the cart part and we'll remove the other things from here. You can see there's a lot of things. We'll remove all those things. So let's go to our code. So this time we'll directly go to our home.blade.php. So after login, we come to this page, which is home.blade.php. And here you can see in the home.blade.php, we include the admin.body part. And this admin.body part is this one. Okay, and you can see the sidebar and header. This is the sidebar part, this is the header part, and this is the body part. So we'll go to our admin.body part, which is the admin folder, and here you can see inside the admin folder we have body.blade.php, this one. So we are going to modify this, and first of all, let's go and remove this part. Here you can see want even more feature, upgrade to pro, we remove this part first. So here you can see that in the body.blade.php, here you have a div. Here you can see want more feature, and here you can see upgrade to pro. So we'll remove this div and this div. So currently save, then let's refresh. Okay, we need to remove this background as well. So for it, we have to remove from this class row, from this to this one. We need to keep this content wrapper, otherwise that design will not look good. Okay, we need to also remove this closing div as well. Let's save it. Now let's refresh again, and here you can see that part is gone. So right now let's remove those part. We'll only keep this cart part over here. So let's go back, and here you can see that potential growth $12.34, which is this one. So the last one is expense current. So let me just go down And here you can see explain current. So the div indeed over here, you can see div class row will remove from this div class row to at the end. So there's a lot of code. We'll just remove from here. Let me just go down. Okay, that's a lot of code. So I think we cannot remove every closing div. Okay, let's just remove up until this div. Let me check. Okay, I think we just need to keep two div at the end. So we'll just keep the last two div. So let's save it. Then let's refresh. Okay, I think I removed too many div. Save it. Refresh. Okay, this is better. Let's just keep all the div over here. So this is our design right now. So right now let's modify those designs. So here instead of potential good, we'll have our total product, then total order, total customer, total revenue. So let's go top, and here we're going to say total products. Let's keep a S because it's a lot of products. Then we'll say here total orders. Then let's go down, and here we'll say total customers. Customer means we how many user we have in the user table. Okay, so after this we'll have total revenue. Let's say here total revenue, and let's add two more cart. Okay, let's add two more cart. So that two more cart will be for total number of product delivered and total number of product is processing. It means not delivered. So let's add two more cart over here. You can add more cart if you want, but let's just stick with only two. So we need to copy the div from here to here. Don't copy the last one. Okay, I think this div indeed over here. So copy it, and we need to paste it inside this div. So let's paste it here, save it, then let's refresh, and let's have another div, save it, then let's refresh. So here we'll say order deliver, and we'll say over here order processing. So let's say here this total revenue, here we'll say order delivered, then we'll say here order processing. So let's save it, then let's refresh here. Okay, this looks fine. So right now somehow we need to show the total number of product we have in our table. So first of all, let's show our total number of product one by one. So here if you go to our database, here you can see this is our product table, and we have a few product over here. Total number of product is 7, I mean 6, 2 to 7 it means 6. So the value will be over here 6. So for it here from where we are returning this dashboard view. If I go to my route, let me go to route, then web.php, and here you can see that for this flash redirect we are calling the home controller redirect function. So let me just go to our app http controller, then home controller. We'll go to our home controller redirect function. So home controller, then home controller, and here we'll search for the redirect function, which is this one. So here you can see if the user type equal on, then we are returning this view admin.home, and admin.home is basically our dashboard view, which you can see that if we go to our admin folder, then home folder, you can see this view, sidebar, header, and the body part. So over here we need to do one thing, that is we'll declare a variable over here. We'll say over here dollar total product, let's say total underscore product equal to, we'll say our mention our product table name, which is product, then we'll give double clone, then we'll say over here all to first bracket, then this arrow sign, and we'll say here count. So count function is used to count how many data we have in the product table. So what will happen is that this count function we will do is it will count how many row we have in the product table, and then it will store that number in this total product variable. So here return view will just give a comma over here, and we'll say over here compact, and here we're going to say total underscore product. And right now we are sending this total underscore product to this view admin.home, and admin.home is basically this one, and our admin.home included this admin.body, which is this one. So here let's find the total product over here. Here you can see we write the total product, and here you can see percentage 3.5. We'll remove this percentage 3.5. Here you can see we'll remove this, and here inside this h3 we are going to say we will give 2-second bracket, and here we'll say dollar total underscore product. So in Laravel, in order to print something, we give 2-second bracket, and inside it we write whatever we want to print. So if I now save it, then if I now refresh, we'll see 6 number over here. So let's refresh, and here you can see 6. So just like that, we'll get the total order and total customer, but the total revenue, order deliver, and these three will be little different. So let's do this two part first, total order and total customer. So let's go to our home controller, and here let me just copy this on, Control C, then Control V. So here we are going to say total order. It will be, we will mention our order table name. So after it, we will mention our total customer, means total user. So here let's say total user equal to, we will mention our table name, which is user. So save it, and then inside this compact we also need to send those as well. So let's just give a comma, let's keep 2 single quotation, and here we are going to say total order, then we'll give equal sign, comma, and again we'll give 2 single quotation, and here we'll say total user. Control C, then Control V. Save it, then we'll go to our body.blade.php, and here you can see total order. So let's remove this P plus 11%, and here we're going to give 2-second bracket, and inside it we're going to say dollar total underscore order, and let's go down, let's remove this P 2.4, and here we're going to say dollar total underscore user. Save it, let's refresh, and here you can see our total number of order is 11 and total customer is 6. So if I go to the order table, here you can see there is around 11 data over here, and if I go to user table, there is a total of 6 user over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's show the total revenue. Now if I go to my order over here, here you can see that the price over here. So what we have to do is that we need to add all the price, and we need to show the total price over here. So that is simple actually, don't worry. Let's go to our home controller again, and here we're going to say we'll declare another variable. Let's say here dollar order equal to order double clone all. So first of all, we'll get all the order over here, then we'll mention a for each loop. So we'll say over here for each, then we'll give 2 first bracket, and here we're going to say mention this dollar order. Let me copy it and paste here. We'll say dollar order as dollar order, then we'll give 2 first bracket, second bracket actually, and then here before this for each loop we'll mention a variable over here. Let's say here dollar total total underscore revenue equal to 0. So by default the total revenue will be 0 at the beginning. So here what we'll do is that we'll say over here this total revenue equal to, we'll say total revenue plus, here you can see dollar order. So we'll say here dollar order, this arrow sign, then we'll say here price. Now here this dollar order price, where is this price coming from? If I go to my order table, this is our order table, and here you can see that we write price like this, price. So what will happen is that it will first get all the order row in this dollar order variable. Then here we declare a variable, and inside this variable we say that total revenue is at the beginning is 0. Then here we write this for each loop, dollar order as dollar order. So it will look on how many order or how many data we have in this order table. Then here in the order table we are saying total revenue plus total price. What it will do is that it will at the beginning it will be 0 plus order price. It means the first one will be on 66. So then the total revenue value will be on 66. Then for the second time it will come over here on 66 plus, and the second price is on 66. Then it will add those, then it will store that value in this total revenue, and then just this way it will add all the price we have in the order table, and ultimately the total addition will be stored in this dollar revenue variable. So here you can see compact. So in this compact we'll give another comma, another single quotation, and here we're going to mention this total underscore revenue over here. So right now let's save it, and let's go to our body.blade.php, and here you can see total revenue. Let's remove this p, and here we'll say to second bracket, and we'll say here dollar total underscore revenue. So let's save it, then let's refresh here. Okay, order not found. Okay, I did a spelling mistake. Order order order. Save it, then let's refresh again, and here you can see that the total revenue is this much. So here let's show a dollar before this. So for it we'll just give a dollar before this second bracket, save, refresh. Okay, there you go. So right now we'll show total order deliver and order processing, which is over here total deliver and total processing. So that will be simple, don't worry. So here let's do the order deliver part first. So for it let's go to our home controller again, and here after this for each loop we're going to say over here it will be, let's say, dollar total underscore deliver delivered equal to, we'll mention our order table name because this is coming from the order table. So we'll say over here order double clone, we'll say here where to first bracket to single quotation, and here you can see that delivery status, right? So in our table we write delivery status like this, delivery underscore status. So here we're going to say where delivery underscore status, then we'll give a comma over here, then we'll give two single quotation, and inside this single quotation we'll give equal sign, then we'll give another comma and another two single quotation, and here we want to check for the total deliver, right? So here for deliver we write in the table like this, deliver. So let me just copy it and let me just paste it here. Then we'll say over here this arrow sign will say get to first bracket, this arrow sign will say count. So write like this, if you write it, you'll be able to count how many order is delivered over here. If the delivery status is delivered, then it will count on, then 2, then 3, like this. So delivery status equal to deliver. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's save it, and here we'll give another comma over here and another single quotation, and let me just copy this total delivered and paste it here. Let's save it, and let's go to our body.blade.php, and here you can see order delivered. So let me just remove this p tag, then here we're going to give 2 second bracket, then we'll say here dollar total deliver. So save, then let's refresh here, and here you can see total deliver is 3. Let me check in the table. Okay, on 2 and 3. Total deliver is 3. So the processing, now let's do the order processing part. So for it, both of them is basically the same. So let me just copy this, then let's just paste it here, and it will be total processing, and here delivery status will be here. Instead of deliver, here in the table we write over here processing like this. Let me copy it, then let's paste it here. So this time instead of deliver, we'll check the number of product that is processing. So let's save it, and here we'll give a comma, then two single quotation, and inside it we are going to say total processing. Let's save it, and right now let's go to our body.blade.php. Let's remove this p, and here instead of this we are going to say total processing, $total processing. Let's save it, then let's refresh now, and here you can see total processing is 8. And here you can see some icon. You can design this or you can remove that icon as well. So this is up to you. So this was a really basic but a little bit unique that I didn't show in any tutorial. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. You can design this page any way you want. So I'll keep it like this. So this is all, and if you learn something new, then please subscribe to this channel. I will actually really appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching. And one more thing, if you face any critical problem, then you can let me know in the comment section, or you can also message me in my Facebook account. I have given my Facebook link, and also you can mail me if you want. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So that's all. Thanks again for watching.